So Hazrat, what is your view on the present scenario of education policy in Telangana?
एजुकेशन पॉलिसी देखिए सॉरी यू वांट मी टू से इन इंग्लिश ओनली नो
In
तो
Urdu, Hindi, and English, you can continue.
anyhow government of India, I mean central federal government has already issued a federal policy. Their aspect is they want to see the one education system nationwide. That cannot be possible to implement because every state has got, even in Telangana, 3 language formula is there. Then you are contradicting to the state government orders. Government orders is what they are telling: Hindi, English, Telugu, compulsory 3 language, either Telugu, English or Urdu. So 3 language formula is already in practice in Telangana state and all the other states. So these states has got their own policy. Not only that, even I can say the education policy should differ from county to county. Means the rural area, municipal area, this suburbs, everywhere there should be a different education policy. We cannot run with a single stick. The government of India has already set up their mind to have the things uniform in a nationwide. It is not possible. You see, even in the foreign country, in the United States of America, every county school, the area local school has got a different syllabus. The subjects cannot be changed. Na? Science is everywhere science. Language is language, but the education policy has to be differ from state to state. Even I can say it is preferable to be a difference in district wise also. This cannot be run now. Anything else?
Regarding fee structure and how this government will manage.
The government has to manage. Government has their sufficient budget. They will run government schools. The only thing is conducting of classes for government is difficult because government school student cannot afford for the gadgets like Android for or smartphone and all those things to enjoy the online classes. Because they are all below poverty line sector are the students of government school. So there is a problem of online classes, but the fee there is no question for the government fee school. No? There is a free education system. Even residential schools are free. So government has got a very good infrastructure for free, but online classes process is not viable. It comes to a 0 year, man. I don't think, but the fee community schools, the small school, private schools, they have problems. Corporate school, they got surplus funds. They enjoyed all these years with high fee structures. So the only community schools, private schools, the problem is their teachers. How if they are not getting paid, that's a problem. For that, the government has to support with granting aid. Government has got welfare. It's a welfare state, no. So Telangana government can come up with they declare lot of granting aid. They can see lot of missionary schools are there, minority schools are there. Government has always declared 200 crores for minorities budget. There is lot of difference between the declared and release and utilize. Only 30% utilization is there. The government should release full budget and give granting aid supports to those people. Even some institution, work board also can come forward because there is certain institution which is under direct management of work board. Even Razak Manzil, where the Haj House is constructed, where the government offices are functioning, State Minority Finance Corporation, Urdu Academy, all these officers are functioning. They have to give rent to the Razak Manzil head of account. Razak Manzil object of work clearly speak to the Muntakhab that support the below poverty line student for their education purpose and library etc. So like that Jahangir Piran Dargah Rahmatullah Alayh is also earlier running the education ITI and all those things. That's a close. Bada Pahad institution is there. Sadullah Sahab Rahmatullah Alayh Barga at Nizamabad districts. They can immediately they are carrying crores of rupees towards the tender of that Dargah's management, it's under direct management of work board. They are getting lot of income So those amount they can now. There is no ITI at Bada Pahad. There is no ITI at Jangir Pina Dargah. Please divert that fund and support these schools. You got enough. Earlier there was provision. You are now the education institute, technical institute, working under the direct management Waqf institution, where a good sum of income is there to the Waqf board, has paralyzed and defunct. Please utilize those funds and support the community schools. Give them some grant to pay the teacher's salary.